Hey guys, what's up? So you moved from one place to another and now you are not able to update your TikTok in your iPhone, or for some reason if you deleted this app you are not able to install this app, you are not finding the app in the App Store. Then there is a fix for it. I'll show you in this video. Let's go to App Store. Okay, so now what happening, you switch country and now when you're trying to install TikTok, you are seeing this error. This app is currently not available in your country or region. And whenever you're trying to search, also TikTok is not available in the search. So what we going to do, in the App Store on the top right corner, you will see your profile image. Tap there. Now tap on your profile name. So basically what we are going to do, we will change our country and region to the previous country we were in. Okay, now tap on change country or region. Okay, you need to select the country you used TikTok before. Make sure this country is not banned from using TikTok. I think now United States and India, these two countries don't have TikTok. Okay, so I was in Qatar, I was in Romania. I can select any location from them. Okay, let's go with Qatar. Okay, I'll select none. Then I'll give my address from Qatar here. Okay, select country, select Doha, give my phone number. Okay, I'll hit next. Okay, now let me try to install TikTok. I have already installed, but I need to see if I can open. Okay, as you can see, now TikTok is available in my App Store. I have already installed. If you don't have installed, you will see the get option here. You can tap on get and you can get the app. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can install TikTok in your iPhone. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.